Welcome to the second episode of Stereoscopic Adventures, where we bring history to life with vintage 3D photography. In this series, I explore my personal collection of stereoscopic images, uncovering hidden details and fascinating stories from remarkable places around the world. Today we're traveling to early 1900s Puerto Rico via a rare stereoscopic photograph titled Harvesting Coconuts, Puerto Rico. Issued by the Quaker Oats Company and copyrighted in 1906 by the American Stereoscopic Company, this captivating 3D image offers a unique window into the past. Feel free to pause the video if you'd like to study the image in more detail, especially if you have a viewer nearby. I've also included a short clip to simulate the experience of looking through a classic stereoscope. Let's set the scene. The early 20th century was a period of transformation in both American and Puerto Rican commerce. Stereoscopic cards like these didn't just delight, they connected families with faraway places, blending education, advertising, and wonder in every frame. We'll dive into the extraordinary partnership behind this photo, the story of the coconut trade in Puerto Rico, and how these iconic palms shaped the island's history and culture. If you were a kid in early 20th century America, your breakfast might have come with a touch of adventure. The Quaker Oats Company, famous for its cereals, was also a pioneer in interactive marketing. Their inventive idea includes stereograph cards in cereal packaging. These weren't ordinary cards. Viewed through a stereoscope, they delivered vivid 3D scenes of distant lands, making breakfast a launchpad for global exploration. The American Stereoscopic Company, active about 1890–1915, produced these photograph cards, partnering with brands eager to add a spark of fun and learning to their products. By 1906, Quaker Oats was using these stereo views as a bonus for families, bringing new cultures, landscapes, and everyday work into American homes. This collaboration was cutting edge for its time, using photography for marketing, education, and brand excitement. Each card served as both artifact and advertisement, complete with company logos and informative scene descriptions. Turn-of-the-century Puerto Rico was at a crossroads after the 1898 Spanish-American War, shifting from Spanish rule to American territory. With this change, the island's economy increasingly supported U.S. commercial interests, and trade with the mainland soared. Sugar and coffee dominated exports, but coconuts were also a crucial crop, grown along the coasts for their oil, water, and as whole fruit. The lush climate made coconut groves a defining feature of the landscape, captured beautifully in stereo views like this one. Interestingly, coconut palms aren't native to Puerto Rico. They were introduced in 1554 by sailors who brought seeds from the Cape Verde Islands. Thriving along sandy shores, coconuts quickly became part of the island's environment and economy. While early plantations used coconuts as practical windbreaks and worker sustenance, the global coconut industry didn't flourish on the island until the 19th and 20th centuries. A true innovator in this field was Ramon Lopez Irizarry. In the 1940s, he developed a way to extract cream from coconut pulp, inventing Coco Lopez, the key to the world-famous piña colada and a staple of Puerto Rican cuisine. His discovery dramatically expanded coconut's role in local and international food culture. Coconuts also have deep roots in Puerto Rican folklore. Taíno legends connect the fruit to life and sustenance, underscoring its significance beyond commerce. Today, coconuts remain central in local food, crafts, and traditions, a testament to their long journey across oceans and centuries. So, this 3D card is more than a visual marvel. It's a bridge to the early days of global agriculture, rapid technological progress, and the creative marketing of two iconic American companies. If you have a stereoscope, now's the perfect time to pause and immerse yourself in this bustling grove. A vivid portal to an era where history, trade, and daily life all converged under the sway of the coconut palm. Thanks for joining me on Stereoscopic Adventures. If you enjoyed this look at harvesting coconuts, Puerto Rico, please like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more journeys into the past. See you in the next adventure.